Senator Tammy Duckworth urged the FAA to ensure transparency and accountability in Boeing's quality efforts. Boeing recently submitted a comprehensive quality plan after FAA Administrator Mike Whitaker's demand to address systemic quality control issues. Whitaker emphasized the need for lasting safety and quality commitments, barring Boeing from boosting production of the 737 MAX after a safety incident. Boeing aims to provide real-time insights into production health, focusing on employee proficiency and reducing rework hours. CEO Dave Calhoun will step down by year-end amidst these ongoing changes.